Dear students, welcome to the new semester. I am P. Phanibhushan, going to handle antennas and wave propagation subject to your class. Previously, you have studied electromagnetic field theory. So that knowledge is required in order to study antennas and wave propagation. And we are looking multiple applications of antennas, especially in the field of wireless communication. We have mobile in our hand and we are able to transmit and receive signals without any wired connection. So this is possible with the help of an antenna. We can transmit signals from ground station to satellite and from satellite to the receiving antenna in case of long distance communication. Similarly, if you see defense application and defense communication is incomplete without an antenna. So antenna has multiple applications in the real-time environment where you want to have radio wave communication, that too wireless communication. Okay. Now our subject is antennas and wave propagation. That means we are going to study about different types of antennas, their parameters, all these things, and how an electromagnetic wave propagates in the medium when it is exerted by an antenna. All these things we are going to study. As a first lecture, now I am going to introduce you the unit 1 contents of the subject. It consists of introduction to antennas, means what are the different types of antennas, what is an antenna, what are the applications, all these things will be covered in this topic. And then antenna parameters. It gives us the knowledge about various parameters of the antenna like radiation resistance, gain, directivity, beam efficiency, antenna efficiency, FDR, etc. We will study all these antenna parameters under this header. And then antenna field zones. What are the different field zones as far as an antenna is concerned, like near field, far field, electrostatic field. These topics will be covered under antenna field zones. And then polarization, a very important topic. When we are transmitting electromagnetic waves, the most important concept is polarization. And the next one is retarded potentials. Another important topic in unit 1. And then after studying these topics, we will be going to study about the radiation from a small electric dipole. We will consider a small electric dipole and then we will study how the radiation effect will be from the small electric dipole. What are the field components that are existing in this small electric dipole? This we will study. And after that, this can also be called a small electric dipole, infinitesimal dipole, or even Hertzian dipole. Okay. As the next step, we will study about the same information for a quarter wave monopole. And then finally, we will study about the half wave dipole. So all radiation characteristics we will study in this particular header. Okay. So these are the major topics in unit 1. Okay. We will continue our session in the next lecture.